Okay, we're gonna make some paste paper with some fun lines and textures by mixing colors. So the first thing you're gonna do is use your tray here so that the paint doesn't get everywhere. Put the piece of paper in the tray and please write your name on the back of it again. Always start with your name on the back and your class code. And then flip it over. And this is where you're gonna have a parent help you, and we're going to add some paint to it. We're gonna add about, and this paint is mixed with art paste, so it spreads a little bit differently. A blob of one color, and we're gonna go with yellow first, a lot of yellow, and then just a little bit of the red. And we're using light red, some people call it magenta, it's like a pink. We're using a light red so the colors mix a little bit nicer together. And you're gonna put them on the paper, and then you're gonna use some of your spreading tools, and these are fun. They're not like a normal paintbrush or your fingers, and you're just going to wipe them through and see what happens when you start mixing the colors together. If you mix yellow and red together, what color do you start to see? You're right, it's orange. So we're going to keep mixing and spreading it. And when you do this, you're going to try to get to all the corners and all the edges and spread it around. And if you want to change up the tool that you're using, maybe you want to use this one and see what kind of textures and lines you can create. Try it again, get all the way up to the side. That's why we use the tray in case it gets in the tray. We'll wash the tray out later so that none of the paint stays on. And we're kind of mixing it and having some fun pushing the paint around. And this is where we can make some cool lines and designs and really kind of spread it out to get to the edges. Push that paint, that puddle that's in the middle, push it towards the edge. You can go up and down, side to side. You can use the edge, write some letters on it. The other tool that we can use would be this big scraper, where we lay it kind of flat and scrape across. Maybe do that in some of the areas, spin it around, and make some cool designs. And once you have your paper pretty well filled, then you put that off to the side and dry, and you try the next ones.